Hello everyone and welcome to the Backyard Art School. I just want to let you know that this year has been an incredible year, and I want to thank everyone who have joined us both online as well as at our face-to-face classes. There's been many celebrations this year, including our student exhibition at the end of the year. We also had an amazing success with our group work of the Turquoise parrots, winning second place with the Wild at Art Threatened Species Art Competition. You can see more of that here.
So over to you, Lorraine.
Thanks, Taryn. So the first one is the first category is the best group work, and I'm announcing the second place, and that is Birdie Birdie Flying High by Art Box Workshops.
Oh my God, that is absolutely amazing.
7-to-10-year-olds. We thought that these turquoise parrots, against the incredible backdrop,
And with these group work, they created a background of the desert scene in Australia, inspired by John Olson and his abstract representations of landscape. And then the final piece that they created was both for their individual works, an Olson-inspired background, but they also did a landscape which was mixed media as well, with the beautiful turquoise parrots incorporated with that.